Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pharma and Jobs in Dubai. In today's video, I have come up with some job vacancies in UAE. These are the job benefits which you usually get while working here in any sector. Whichever sector you are working, you will get these benefits. These are mandatory benefits by the UAE labor law. So the first job vacancy is for the pharmacist. This vacancy is for the DHA licensed pharmacist, and where it is in the DOSIB group of management. This is the Lulu group. They have their own pharmacies, and the requirement is for the male candidates only. Mostly this group only hires male candidates, so this position is also for the male candidates. They are giving you a salary of 6,000 and other labor mandatory benefits that are here by the UAE labor law. M Pharm, B Pharm is the qualification that is asked, and this is the email ID info@dosibgroup.com. At this email ID you can send your updated CV. Next job vacancy is again for the pharmacist. This is also in the DOSIB healthcare management, but previous job was for DHA license, which was for Dubai, and this is for the MOH license, which is in the other Emirates like Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Ajman. Here the salary is also lower, 3,500 to 4,500. Earlier in the previous vacancy it was 6,000. B Pharm, M Pharm is the qualification required, and male candidates can only apply for this job. And the email is info@dosibgroup.com. So actually MOH and DHA have little bit of salary change in them. This is junior specialist. This is a job vacancy in a pharmaceutical company known as Julfar Pharmaceuticals. This is one of the biggest pharmaceutical industry or company in UAE. Okay, it's a local company based in Ras Al Khaimah. So your job type is QA operations, quality assurance operations junior specialist. This is the position, and you will be responsible for the duties for responsibilities such as quality checks in production, because you are into QA operations, and packaging area. And the sectors that you will cover belongs to tablet, capsules, liquids, semi-solids and injectables. Here they have also mentioned that they need someone, although the position is for the junior specialist, but you should have 2 to 3 years experience in quality assurance, and you should have a 4 years bachelor's degree in pharmacy or in science or in the relevant field. Good communication in English is important. Good command over English is important. If you know the other languages, it's also good. Senior research analyst. This is also the job in Julfar Pharmaceuticals, Ras Al Khaimah. Senior research analyst. It is in research and development sector of the same company. They have the research and development sector as well. So this position is there. The experience you should have is 7 to 8 years of experience. So you should have a good experience for this position. Also this position is senior research analyst. So you will also have, usually Julfar do not mention their salaries, but when they offer good salaries, as I have heard. So they offer good salaries and good benefits to their employees. Qualification masters in science or pharmacy is preferred, and you should have experience in maintaining operations of a laboratory, plus handling all the laboratory of the instruments that we have like GLC, HPLC and all those that we have in pharmacy. So you should have a good knowledge of that. You should have computers knowledge, especially MS Office, which includes Excel, PowerPoint, Word, all. Now this is for the position of pharmacist again. This vacancy is in Paradise Plus Polyclinic. DHA licensed pharmacist is the requirement. 5,000 salary they are giving. Qualification B Pharm, M Pharm. If you find this job suitable for you, you can send your CV at this number, WhatsApp at this number, your CV. No email was mentioned, only this number was mentioned. So you can send your CV through WhatsApp. And this position is for both male and female candidates. You should be Hindi, Malayalam and Arabic speaking apart from English. Physiotherapist, Ralls Healthcare. This is the company where this position is vacant. It's in Dubai. Bachelor's in physiotherapy or doctors of physical therapy degree you should have with 2 years of experience. You should have a good knowledge of computer and MS Office. And you should also collaborate with patients, doctors for referrals, notes and medical history. So this is the work that you have to do in your physiotherapist job. That means you have to collaborate with the doctor, with the patients, and also look after their history. This is the email address where you have to send your CV if you want to apply for this physiotherapist position. Next job is a team leader instrumentation. Guys, please subscribe to my channel Pharma and Jobs in Dubai. This is again is in Julfar Pharmaceuticals. Today I have actually posted, I got many vacancies from this company, so I have just posted here. Senior Research Analyst, Analytical and Technology in the Quality Department. 7 to 9 years of experience you should have. And bachelor's degree in Electronics Instrument Engineering. Because this is for the analytical science and technology based on instruments in the company. So that's why you should have this degree in Electronics Instrument Engineering. This is not just the common position for in production and all. This is for instrumentation. So you can apply in the site of Julfar. BSc Nursing. This is the job position for nurses. DHA certified. You should have DHA eligibility letter or experience. Or the DHA license of a nurse. 6 to 7,000 salary. A pretty good salary. 2 years of experience is asked. Bachelor's in nursing. Female. And this position is not just for one person or two person. Here 5 number of vacancies are there for this position. Means they need 5 female nurses. Email address is mayura@topscloudhr.com. So this is the email address where you can send your CV, updated CV if you want to apply for this job. If you have a DHA eligibility letter or you have a DHA license of a nurse, you can apply for this job. The salary is good, 6,000 to 7,000. Again, new position for the pharmacist. This is a company that is looking for DHA and MOH licensed pharmacist. They are providing you a good salary package. Training requirements. Training will also be provided if the candidate need for their professional growth. And all other benefits will be provided that are mandatory by the UAE labor law. You should be a B Pharm, M Pharm or Pharm D. And if you are interested in this position and you are qualified, then you can send your CV at this email address that is mentioned, and you can do the WhatsApp as well. Team leader in regulatory affairs. So in the regulatory affairs department, team leader position is vacant in Julfar Pharmaceuticals, Ras Al Khaimah. It's in the RA division. 5 to 8 years of experience is needed. Bachelor's or master's in science, but master's in pharmacy will be preferred. You should have a good knowledge of computers and MS Office, and you should have a good command over English. They usually ask, like in all their vacancies, they write that you should have a good knowledge of computers and MS Office, where you can work on the Excel, and also that you can do all the documentation work as well related to your work. So you can apply on the Julfar company website. They usually do not provide their email address. I have never seen email address. So we have to go on the site and apply. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video.